Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to bind a hotkey to a button using keyboard extension. Before you begin, pair the keyboard extension app for Windows with the keyboard extension mobile app. Unauthorized users cannot create or modify widgets, so make sure you're logged in. Activate the application for which you want to assign a hotkey. This is important because the new widget you create will automatically appear when that app is active. In this demonstration, we'll create a button and assign a hotkey for the After Effects app. There are two ways to start creating a new widget. Tap the corresponding option in the navigation bar, or select New Widget from the kebab menu. You'll see a catalog of pre-configured controls. These are called presets. For this task, a regular button works perfectly. Tap it to add it to your new widget. In the toolbar, select Action, then Tap, then Hotkey, and assign your desired hotkey combination. For this example, I'll use Ctrl plus Shift plus C, which groups selected files into a new pre-composition in After Effects. Tap the checkmark to confirm, then open the kebab menu. Choose Save and Exit, and confirm. Now let's test your newly created button in action. To demonstrate, I'll first select some layers in After Effects that I want to group into a pre-composition. Then tap the button. That works perfectly. Now let's go back to editing the widget and make it look great. Tap Edit in the kebab menu. First, I'll change the button's color. Tap the button. In the background color menu, you can select a color from the palette, customize it at Custom, or pick a color that matches the After Effects app. I'll choose that option. Using these colors keeps the widget visually consistent with the app's style. Let's rename the button so it's clear what it does. Go to Caption, then Text, and enter something short but meaningful. I'll name it Group. Align it to the bottom edge so I can add an icon in the center. You can pick an icon from our free catalog. The catalog covers many situations, but I already have an icon on my computer that I want to use. I'll tap the Upload SVG icon tool and select it via the Open File dialog. Now let's change the tint. This color is perfect for After Effects. All that's left is to resize the icon so it doesn't cover the text. Next, I'll position the button in the center and resize it so it's perfectly visible and easy to access. I'll also add a more detailed description for clarity. Press and hold the button, then select Info from the context menu and enter a description in the top field. Alternatively, you can paste text from the clipboard on your PC. I will get the original text from the Adobe help page. This text will appear in the clipboard list, so I can simply tap it instead of typing. Finally, let's rename our widget by clicking on it at the top. Now let's save our changes and enjoy the results. If you ever forget a button's function, press and hold it, then choose Info from the context menu. You'll see the description you added along with any customization details, such as the assigned hotkey. In this lesson, you learned how to add buttons to a widget and assign hotkeys. Remember, every widget is tied to the app that was active on your computer when you started creating it. Check out our other lessons to explore more actions you can assign to a control and the various types of controls, such as volume sliders, multiple choice tools, and other useful options.